How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out really cool 67 Chevy El Camino, done in a super nice radial flyer red, show quality paint on it, super slick. See, all new bumper, grill, all the moldings. Did a steel cowl hood. Was a California car originally. Car's really straight, flat down the sides. When they did it, they shaved all the emblems, just made it real slick. Rear bumper's new. It's original taillight housings, in excellent shape. You see how straight, flat the car is down the sides. All the chrome around the rear bed, very nice. All that stainless is excellent shape. A nice little 350 in it, aluminum intake, and Edelbrock carb. It's got your power steering, power disc brakes. It's all painted real nice under the hood. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. Nice 2.5-inch duals out the back. It's just a really cool car. Jams and everything on this car are very nice. They put new interior in it. Dash is the original. It's all in pretty good shape. Got one small crack in the dash pad. New headliner. Got the bucket seats. Center console. Got your 3-spoke sport wood wheel. It's an original wheel. Original tilt column, which is pretty rare. It's got the gauge, factory gauge package as well. All the paintwork on this truck is gorgeous. Nice spray-in bed liner, very nicely done. It is missing a radio. We do have one coming. It'll be installed before we ship the car. All the carpet's new. All new weather stripping in it. Fires right up. Get the Chevy Rallies and the flat caps. All new tires on it. Got all new front suspension, springs all the way around. Backup lights work. Got a set of Dynamax mufflers on it. It's just a really nice running, driving car. Get in this thing, cruise anywhere you want to go. Go to your little shows. Just enjoy it. Have a great day, folks.